Want to speak English more naturally with almost zero grammar stress? I will teach you only 2 rules today. Yes, 2 rules, just 2 rules that cover the most common to be forms and you will need for fluent speaking. Today I am giving you the only 2 rules of grammar which is most super functional English rules that can help you speak English fluently. And you just need to know these 2 rules to start speaking your English fast, confidently with anyone. So I have organized these 2 grammar rules into 2 parts. Okay, in first part of the video we will learn rule number 1 and in second part of the video we will learn about rule number 2. And by the end of this today's video you will be able to create sentences with the help of these 2 rules with confidence and you will speak like a native in everyday conversation. So let's make grammar simple. So guys, before beginning, make sure to keep the pen and paper with you so that you can write whatever I am going to tell you, alright, because it's your fluent conversation toolkit, okay, that the toolkit we have in our houses, right? So same like that, and this is your toolkit to start speaking English fluently. And like I always say guys, don't forget to watch this video till the end because at the last we will have something special for you, alright. So now we are skipping all that boring stuff and going directly to the rules. Before that, let me introduce myself. You all know my name is Shalima and welcome back to my another session of learning English in this channel, alright. So make sure please subscribe it and like the video. So guys, first of all, let's see what we are going to learn in today's video apart from the rules, okay, because that I have already tell you. So here in the quick preview, we'll talk about rule that is present to be, alright, and rule number 2 that is past to be, and do clear explanation, lots of examples, quick speaking drills and short story to practice. Also guys, we will do a shadowing practice. So let's learn about rule number 1. Okay, I'm sure after knowing this rule you will be able to create sentences on your own in your mind. Okay, so let's talk about the rule number 1, present to be. Present to be means I plus am and plus your facts, your habits, whatever. Okay, let me explain you how. Here you will use is, am, are to talk about the present. Okay, but the verb changes depending on the subjects, alright. So that I will tell you how you will change the subjects, alright. So first of all, let me tell you the pattern. I plus am, okay, he and she and it plus is, alright. And next is you, we, they plus are, alright. So here we will use professions, feelings, locations and simple facts. Guys, here I am not going to tell you I am plus ing, that is present continuous, but here I am going to tell you about present to be. Okay, I am plus feelings, facts, locations, simple facts, professions, occupations. Alright, for example, I am tired. I am tired. Okay, she is a doctor. She is a doctor. So guys, you can also repeat after me whatever I am telling you because you will do a practice like that. So next is, it is hot today. Repeat after me guys, it is hot today. Next is, you are very kind. You are very kind. Next is, we are ready. We are ready. Next is, they are my friends. They are my friends. They are my friends. Everyone got this? Now here is a quick quiz that you only need to complete the sentences. Alright, so the quiz is for you. If you understand whatever I taught you in rule number 1, you need to fill these small sentences. Okay. Number 1, I dash dash hungry. Number 2, he dash dash a teacher. Next is, she dash dash from India. Next is, it dash cold outside. Next, you dash very helpful. Guys, here don't confused because we use is, am, are with ing forms also, but here I am teaching you present to be. Like I am plus your feelings, your facts, your professions, your occupations, right? Locations and simple facts. Alright, now here we are going to talk about negatives and questions. And here I will give you a mini drill, okay? So if I talk about negative, what will be the rule? Negative rule is I am plus not. He is plus not, okay? And plus whatever the things I have told you, like locations, like facts, your habits, whatever the things you will add after not. Alright, so let me tell you the example sentences. The example is, he is not here. He is not here. You will say in short, he isn't here. Repeat after me, guys. He isn't here. Next is, they aren't busy. That means they are not busy. They aren't busy. Next is, I am not late. I'm not late. I'm not late. Repeat after me, guys. I'm not late. Yes. Now let's talk about the questions. Questions. So if you are going to talk about the questions, what you need to do is you have to follow this rule, okay? In the beginning, you will have to place is, am, are plus, he, she, it and I, and whatever your fact. For example, are you ready? Are you ready? Repeat after me, guys. Are you ready? Next is, am I on time? Am I on time? Now guys, I am going to tell you few common spoken shortcuts so that you can speak confidently and fluently. And that are the shortcuts which will help you a lot. Alright? Because many of you are saying that he is so fast in English. He spoke so fast. So let me tell you the secret why they are fast. Okay? So here if you wanna speak fluently, you need to use contractions. Yes. I am is equal to am. He is equal to his. And it is equal to its. We are is equal to we are. You are is equal to your. They are is equal to their. Okay. There are the short answers. Okay. Here I am going to tell you, if somebody is asking you, are you busy? You can say, yes, I am busy. No, I am not busy. And with the contractions, you can say, no, I am not busy. No, I am busy. So here I am going to give you a short tip which will help you a lot, guys. So the tip is, whenever you are speaking, use contractions. Okay, they are more natural and faster. Alright, now I am going to begin the second part of this video, because here I am going to talk about the rule number 2, and the rule number 2 is past to be. Past to be. Yes, here I am going to talk about the past. Alright, let me tell you what is the use of was, were. Was, were is talk about the past. Okay, past states, past descriptions where people or things were and how someone felt before. Alright, like the present to be that I have already taught you. Alright, so here I am going to tell you the pattern. How will you use this? So, I, he, she, it plus was. Okay, you, we, they plus were. Alright guys, now here I am gonna show you the examples that you can repeat after me also, these example sentences which I am going to tell you. The example is, I was at the cafe yesterday. I was at the cafe yesterday. Repeat after me, I was at the cafe yesterday. Next is, she was happy. Repeat guys, she was happy. She was happy. Next is, it was cold last night. It was cold last night. Repeat after me guys, it was cold last night. Next is, you were late. You were late. Next is, we were surprised. We were surprised. Okay. Next and last, they were tired. They were tired. Repeat after me guys, they were tired. Simply you will say, he was a doctor. He is a doctor. Now again I am going to teach you the negatives and questions. Alright. If we talk about the negative sentences, again we are going to use not with was, were. For example, was not. And in short you can say wasn't, wasn't, were not, weren't. So I am going to tell you the sentences You just repeat after me, guys. He wasn't at home. He wasn't at home. Next is they weren't hungry. They were not hungry. Okay. Now, I am going to give you a quick question trick how you will ask the questions in short. Okay. So again, you will replace was, were in the beginning, and then he, she, it, or I, we, you, they, and then the rest all the things will be at the last of the sentence. Questions are, was she at the party? Repeat after me, guys. Was she at the party? Were you there? Were you there? Was I wrong? Was I wrong? These are the short questions, okay? And you can just give the answers in only in short answers like yes or no. No, I was not wrong. Yes, I was wrong, like that. So here there are some common confusion that I am going to quickly fix it with I was not and I were. Expected in special phrases, guys, and I wish I were. This is advanced. So for everyday past talk, use was, okay? But let me tell you were. Were with you, we, they. Always use were for plural subjects and for you. So if you are uncertain, match the subjects plural, and were singular is was depending on present and past. Alright, so here guys, I am going to begin a mini practice drill which will help you a lot to speak. Alright, so this is a mini practice drill of these sentences, whatever I taught you in this class. So don't go anywhere, just do the practice. So here I'll say a short sentences with the blank, it in out loud using the correct forms. Alright, this is only for you guys, whether you can do it from your side or you can just do it in the comments so I can see the sentences whatever you have done. So I will check whether these are the sentences are correct or not. So the first one is dash late yesterday. Okay, yesterday. Next is dash at home now. Okay. Next is she dash in bracket be my teacher. Okay, let me tell you, be we can say is mr is a be. Okay, so you can say she is my teacher, but she, and in past you can say she was my teacher. Here what you can do is you can pause this video and watch this video and do the practice 3 times. All right, do that practice 3 times. You can create more sentences and write it down in the comments. Now here it's a time for short story using both rules whatever I have told you. So here I'm going to tell you a short story which is short and simple. So listen and repeat the sentences. The sentences and the story is related to the past and present form to be. Okay, so let's start the story. So the story is, today is a sunny day. I am excited because my friend Max is coming over. He is a great cook and he is always cheerful. Yesterday Max was at work, so he wasn't able to cook. But last week we were together and we were laughing a lot. Now he is on his way and he said he was bringing a surprise. You are going to love it when you see it. So guys, I think you like this story and you understood how the words are used. See how we move between is, am, are for now and was, were for the past. Alright, so that's all there is to it, guys. Now here is a practice challenge for you guys. Your challenge for the next 24 hours, try to notice and say out loud 5 sentences using is, am, are, and 5 sentences using was, were. For example, she is at work and he was late. Alright, record yourself and say them to a friend, or you can stand or sit in front of a mirror, or you can do the practice with the help of these 2 rules. And I'm sure you will be able to speak English with the help of these 2 rules, guys. Now here I'm going to talk about some common mistakes that people are doing while speaking. So using are with singular, he, she, it, wrong. Okay, you cannot say she are, he are, it are. So he are, correct. No, it's not correct. With plural subjects, like it's wrong. They was, This is wrong, okay? The correct one is they were. They were. So forgetting contractions in speech, natural. So he is happy. He is happy. You can say he's happy. He is happy. You can say he's happy. Alright guys. So if this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe it and comment one sentence using was or were right now. Alright. So I'll correct a few in the comments. Tell me in the comments if you want these kinds of videos on my channel. Definitely I'll bring it for you. I'll just definitely make it easy for you so that you can just do the practice and you can learn better. If you are a beginner, you can speak well. Okay, you can start your journey. So please let me know in the comments if you are ready to watch this kind of videos on my channel. Alright, and don't forget to watch my 30 days spoken English course, which is available on YouTube, which is free of cost. Alright, and one more thing, from 1st of November we are gonna begin our spoken English classes, which will definitely help you a lot for your spoken English. So that's all for today's video guys, and please like the video, share it with your friends too. This is Shalima signing off. Take care and speak English with confidence.